Hi CSE takers, welcome to my channel. For today's video, let's answer this given problem. Convert 9/5 into a mixed number. Kapag sinabi nating mixed number or mixed fraction, a combination of a whole number and a fraction. So, paano ba natin itong i-convert or i-express? So guys, madali lang yan. First, let us divide. So 9 ay nasa loob. Ang tawag natin dyan ay dividend. And then yung 5 ay nasa labas, which is divisor. And then, ilang 5 ang meron sa 9? We all know that we only have 1, right? So 1 times 5, and then yung 1 must be placed here. 1 times 5 is 5. Just bring down. And then we need to subtract. So 9 minus 5, that is equal to 4. Okay? So nasundan ba guys? So itong 1, ang tawag natin dyan ay quotient. Tandaan. Itong 5, ang tawag natin dyan ay divisor. And then yung 4, of course, remainder. So ito yung goal natin. I-convert natin yung 9/5 into a mixed number. So, a combination of a whole number and a fraction. So, in this case, yung whole number natin dyan ay 1. That is your quotient. So, 1. And then, remainder over divisor. So, remainder ay 4. Over, of course, 5. So, which is option letter B. So, ganun lang kadali. Kung meron kayo natutunan sa video ito, kindly like and share. Thank you for watching.